me, though, don't you forget about me. If I ain't make it, I bet you that they forget about me. That's why I'm saying, little mama, what you doing is too beautiful to ruin. You was here before the money, then you got me. If you don't, I'm still gonna love you, cause the history that we got, explosions of too much passion, gunpowder still on my feelers. Love me and then you hate me, what the fuck is it that we got? Victims of circumstance, I'm smoking, sagging my Levi's. At the end, this is worth it. At the lab, really working. They talking about my potential, I'm barely scratching the surface. Always talking about prices, we live the life of a merchant. Tell me you need some space, don't tell me that this ain't working. Not if I make me nervous, you think that I ain't gon' make it. How we both write the story, but end up on different pages. Time I had for is gone, cause I was after busy blazing. You lonely, pick up your phone and call, though, I tell you how, baby.
We could've worked it out. Even gave us the benefit of doubt, but we couldn't stop playing around. Didn't understand, but I do now. Sometimes I wish that we could get it back, because everyone deserves a second chance. But we can never go back like that. It's a shame how a good thing turns so bad. It's so sad. Look at all that we could've had. Just too bad.
I swear to God, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Swear to God on my mother, spend more time with the crew, not do with you. And I'm sorry, baby, but they're my brothers. I'm like no other. If I start with your girl, ain't no stopping. I can't help the girls that watching, jocking the way we out here rocking. Got my city on my back, they ain't on the map. If I choose to lack, gotta wake them up, I can't sleep with that. They relying on me to get it poppin'. I have no option. This shit drives me crazy. She my baby and my lady at the same time. She's shady. This ain't easy for me either. Cope with Henny and Sativa. She got real jungle fever. Think I'm lying and a cheater. Think I'm about ready to leave her. Who I'm kidding, boy, I need her. She my everyday drama. Potential wife and baby mama. I still love her.
We could've worked it out. Even gave us the benefit of doubt, but we couldn't stop playing around. Didn't understand, but I do now. Sometimes I wish that we could get it back, because everyone deserves a second chance. But we can never go back like that. It's a shame how a good thing turns so bad. It's so sad. Look at all that we could've had. Just too bad.
I can't be your yes man, but baby, that ain't what you love me for. You know I said how we do it. Ain't nobody coming close, we bump heads, but once we face to face, you gon' forget for sure. Hit the road just to bring it back to you, but you want more. Seems like the only time you trip is when I'm not at home. But you ain't out here trying to get this shit, and you ain't all alone. I'm here, baby. Yeah, baby. Got you like nobody else. One thing's for certain, you was there when ain't nobody helped. Now let me go and check this grip for us, mile through thick and thin. Call away, hit me on the hip, till then I'm in the wind trying to get it in. Need you like you need me. Love, hate thing on repeat. Break up just to make up in exchange for that LOVE. I love you more, but being broke is just gon' break us. We destined to do with major smoking all these different flavors, moving every single day. Can't get paid if we laid up. I'm clocking in, we gotta win. It's us against them haters, baby.
We could've worked it